she was brought out her child also, and then our people, constable, one constable named Anjaneya. He tried to revive them, gave CPR, and then we shifted to the hospital where the lady was declared dead, and the child he was shifted to another hospital for better care. So that happened. Now, if any questions from your side.
Sir, is there any case who are the accused, sir?
Yeah, I think this is the main
Yes, sir.
thing that you people want to know who are the accused, what
Yes, sir.
action police has taken.
Yes, sir.
So, in this incident, we have booked a case under section 105, 118 clause 1, read with section 3 clause 5 of BNS Act. And this case has been booked on the complaint of the lady's husband who passed away. And in that complaint, the theatre management, actor Allu Arjun, and his security team, security in charge, these people have been named accused. Yeah, as per the complaint, is the accused. Management, because they do not know who is involved in the management of theatre, who all is in the team. So even A2, A3, A4, what you are asking, it will come in further investigation. But as per the complaint, theatre management, Allu Arjun, and the security team, they have been mentioned as their.
Sir, where actually this happened?
Yeah, so another thing which I want to clarify, stampede means there is a huge crowd, people fall down, other people stand over them. That we call stampede. In this situation, there is no stampede. Lot of crowd was there, people were jostling with each other. So certain asphyxia kind of situation. People were not able to breathe properly inside the main auditorium, in the lower balcony. So this lady was there, and she was brought out from there. It did not happen outside the theater or in the main gate and that great gate. In between them, it happened inside the lower balcony. To identify security team who is the manager who is responsible for taking care of his wherever he travels. So this thing we have to identify through CCTV footage, through public statement. We have to identify who all are responsible in the security team, and yesterday who all were there who pushed people and created this situation.
Sir, where is this lower balcony, sir? Between the theatre?
No, inside theater.
Inside the theatre?
Yeah, in front of the screen where people sit and watch movie. There it happened. No communication from his side that any intimation to local police station, ACP office or DCP office. There has been no communication. Anticipated, and that's why we had deployed. But suddenly, when the crowd was there, nobody was allowed inside. But still, theatre people, they did not check the few unauthorized people without any ticket. They were sitting inside. Then when he came, his security people, they started pushing people, and suddenly they opened the door to let his vehicle inside. Our deployment was there. There was no lapses on the part of the police.
Sir, the theatre
Is definitely undergoing, but this thing that you are asking, we have to shut down the theatre. There is a process for that, and if we shut down the theatre, because there has been already advance booking, and this is not a regular show. People, I think, some high prices people are paying for their ticket. So we have to anticipate that also, because in that case, people may again there may be another law and order kind of situation where people have already booked tickets for 800, 900,000, and they are not allowed inside, or the theatre have been closed. So that's why.
It is still running.
After that, I am going to see the theatre.
Whatever is required as per the law, we'll go ahead with that.